Hey everyone, welcome back. Day 2 of our Spoken English 30 Days Challenge.
Yes, and today we're moving into something we use every single day, literally every conversation. Simple present and present continuous.
Exactly. So let's jump right in. Tell me, what do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and I drink a cup of tea before starting my day.
I wake up, I drink tea. Notice that? That's simple present tense. We use it for habits, routines, things we do regularly, not just right now.
Right, and I go for a walk every evening too.
I go for a walk. Again, simple present. See guys, for most subjects, we just use the base verb. Wake, drink, go, eat, walk. Simple.
But wait, doesn't it change with he or she?
Good catch. Yes, with he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. So it becomes he wakes up at 6. She drinks tea. He goes for a walk.
Oh, right. That little s makes all the difference.
Exactly. It's a small detail, but people notice it immediately when it's missing.
Let me try. My brother watches cricket every weekend.
Perfect. Watches, not watch, because it's about he.
Thinking, what if I want to say I don't do something, like I don't drink coffee?
Good question. That's the negative form. We use do not or don't for I, you, we, they, plus the base verb. I do not drink coffee. They do not play football.
And for he, she, it?
There, we use does not or doesn't, and the verb goes back to its base form. No s this time. So we say he does not drink coffee, not he does not drinks.
Oh, so the does already carries the S. The main verb doesn't need it again.
Exactly. Same pattern as did in past tense. One word carries the grammar, the main verbs stay simple.
That makes sense now. And for questions?
For I, you, we, they, we start with do. Do you drink tea? Do they play cricket? And for he, she, or it, we start with does. Does she drink tea? Does he play cricket?
Curious, does your brother watch cricket every weekend?
Perfect. And notice watch now watches in the question because does already handles that.
Curious. Okay, now what are you doing right now at this exact moment?
Smiling. Right now I'm talking to you and I'm also holding my coffee cup.
Interesting. I'm talking, I'm holding. That's different. This is present continuous.
Right. Present continuous shows an action happening right now in this very moment, not a routine, not a habit.
So the structure is am, is, or are plus verb with ing.
Exactly. I am talking, she is cooking, they are playing, we are learning.
Connecting the dots. So I drink tea every morning is a habit, but I am drinking tea right now means it's happening at this very second.
Perfect explanation. And present continuous isn't just for right now, actually. We also use it for things happening around this time period, even if not this exact second. Like, I am learning English these days.
Oh, interesting. So it can mean a temporary ongoing situation too, not just this exact moment.
Exactly. These days, this month, nowadays, these words often pair with present continuous.
Practicing. I am preparing for my exams these days.
Great example.
Curious. What about negative present continuous?
Simple. Just add not after the am, is, or are. I am not talking, she is not cooking, they are not playing.
And for questions?
Move the am, is, or are to the front. Are you talking? Is she cooking? Are they playing?
Confident. Okay, I think I've got both now. Simple present for habits and routines, present continuous for things happening right now or these days.
Warm explanation. And just like yesterday, both tenses have 3 forms: affirmative, negative, and question. Let's practice a quick round before our game.
Sure, give me a sentence. Tell me if it's simple present or present continuous.
She works in a bank.
Simple present, a routine, her job.
She is working on a project right now.
Present continuous, happening right now.
I usually cook dinner, but today my mother is cooking.
Confident. Both. Usually cook is simple present, a habit, and is cooking is present continuous, happening today specifically.
Perfect. You caught the contrast beautifully.
Laughing. This is actually such a common way we talk in real life, comparing usual habits with what's different today.
Exactly. That's why native speakers switch between these 2 tenses so naturally in one conversation.
Agreeing. All right, it's time for our favorite segment.
Playful tone. Yes, translation time. Hindi sentences you translate into English and I'll correct if needed.
Confident. Let's go.
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
I like tea.
Perfect. No mistakes.
Laughing. Easy one, thank you.
Let's make it harder. वो रोज ऑफिस नहीं जाता है.
He does not goes to office daily.
Gentle correction. Almost. Remember, after does not, the verb goes to base form. So it should be, he does not go to office daily.
Realizing now, oh right, does already has the S, I don't need to add it to go again.
Exactly. Same mistake people make with did in past tense too. Next, क्या तुम अभी पढ़ रहे हो?
Smiling tone, do you study right now?
Close, but this is about right now, this exact moment, so we need present continuous. Are you studying right now?
Confident now. Right. Do you study sounds like a habit question, but are you studying right now means right now.
Exactly. That's a really important difference. Next, मेरा दोस्त क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता है.
Thinking, my friend does not plays cricket.
So close. Just, my friend does not play cricket. Base form after does not.
Nodding. Got it. I really need to remember that rule properly now.
Warm tone. You're doing great. This repetition is exactly how it becomes automatic. Last one. वो लोग अब खाना खा रहे हैं.
Impressed. They are eating food now.
Perfect. No mistakes.
Celebrating. Yes, I'm getting the hang of this now.
Warm tone. You really are. All right, before we wrap up, let's take a few minutes and go over everything nice and slow.
Sure. So today we covered two tenses we use constantly in daily conversation. First, simple present for habits, routines, and general facts. Structure, base verb for I, you, we, they, and verb plus S or ES for he, she, it.
Examples: I drink tea, she drinks tea, they play football, he plays football.
For negative, we use do not or does not plus the base verb. I do not drink coffee, he does not drink coffee.
For questions, do for I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, or it, always followed by the base verb. Do you drink tea? Does she drink tea?
The second tense was present continuous for actions happening right now or ongoing these days. Structure, am, is, or are plus verb with ing.
Examples: I am talking, she is cooking, they are playing.
For negative, just add not after the am, is, or are. I am not talking, she is not cooking.
And for questions, move the am, is, or are to the front. Are you talking? Is she cooking? Are they playing?
And remember, the real skill is knowing when to use which one. Habits and routines, simple present. Right now, or a temporary ongoing situation, present continuous.
Exactly. And today's example showed how naturally we mix both together in real conversations, comparing our usual routine with what's happening today specifically.
Encouraging. Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write 2 sentences. First, using simple present, tell us something you usually do every day. Second, using present continuous, tell us what you are doing right now while watching this video.
Playful tone. And if you're feeling confident, combine both. Like, I usually study in the evening, but right now I am watching this video.
Warm. We'll be reading your comments, so go ahead and write below. Don't worry about small mistakes. That's exactly how you improve.
Excited. That's it for day 2. Tomorrow we're covering present perfect and present perfect continuous, how to talk about your life experiences and things you've been doing for a while.
Waving tone. So stay subscribed, keep your notifications on, and don't miss tomorrow's episode.
Warm tone. See you tomorrow, guys.
Smiling. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Bye for now.